Good morning, students. Today here we again came here to take a new topic, that is capacitance, right? Which is also very important, capacitance. So what is the meaning of the capacitance here? Very simple. Ability of storing charges between the two parallel charge conductors. Is it right? It's an ability of storing the charges. यानी कि चार्ज को स्टोर करने की एबिलिटी. कैसे हम लोग इसको फाइंड करेंगे इसमें? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if I'll take one charge plate or this a charge plate, is it clear? So what happened here, it is, suppose there are three charges are there, three, maybe four, maybe five, is it right? Maybe six or somewhere else. So what happened, if I'm going to store more charges on it, that means I have to sometimes what, you have to connect with a source. एक बैटरी के साथ ज्वाइन किया, सोर्स इज अ बैटरी, is it having positive and negative, so that's why it's become positive, and the another plates, it's definitely automatically are getting what, negative charges. Is it clear? So here, due to this potential, I mean to say this battery can store only the three. Let me remove this and again use another battery. So I will say, suppose now you take 2V battery, so he has a more potential to store the charges. So यहाँ पे चलो और charges store हो गया. Is it right? And keep it in mind, same amount of charges will always store in both the plates. So it means very simple here. Here these are the charges Q and this is a potential. So one conclusion we got it that Q, the charge which is stored on the capacitance, is directly proportional to the potential. Is it right? Directly proportional to the potential. Second step we can write, this charge proportionality will give you a constant term. This constant term C is known as what? Capacitance. So this capacitance will give you the information that how much charge we need and what is the potential we need. Capacitance ka value, about the capacitance value, it define how much charge we need and how much potential battery will give you the amount of charges. That's why we have written here ability of storing charges between the two parallel charge conductors, and they are maybe parallel, they are maybe spherical, and etc. and all. Is it clear? About the mechanics, it's very simple. इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानते हैं. What happened here? Now, if it is one is positive, the meaning of positive is the deficiency of electron. तो यानी कि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तुम्हारा यहाँ आ चुका है, and that electron from the negative plate it's going to store on the another one. Again one more deficiency of electron, so one more electron will store on it. इस तरह से you can see the same amount of charges will accumulate in between the two charge plates. And what happened here? Slowly and slowly the electric field is also going to produced between this positive to negative. Electric field is going to produce one by one, slow and slow. So this is a simple mechanics about the between the two parallel plates. Is it clear? Now in the next, so here we came to know this formula is very important. Is it right? Therefore we can write capacitance can be written as Q by V. Is it right? C is equal to Q by V, and SI unit of capacitance is farad. F-A-R-A-D, farad, capital F. Is it clear? Okay. Now after knowing this capacitance, we'll take the another topic, that how these charges are going to store when two parallel plates. Actually this is, if I interchange, suppose ऐसा हो सकता है कि if the two plates are positive then is okay. Now you can see electric field is produced in between then only we use this term for capacitance. And practically what happened, we make it in a compact position, and from these two plates we take two terminals, and this become a device, and the name of the device is known as capacitor or condenser. दो नाम दिया गया इसमें, is it right? Either condenser or what? Capacitor. Now the next topic, yes, so the next topic is this, right? Two charge plates, is it right? So when we take two charge plate, you can see these are the two charge plate. Is it clear? The two charge plate, and here the plate number 1 and this is plate number 2. This is plate number 1 and 2. Let me take, because of this two same charged, let me define, there is a reason, जगह एक 1 है, ये 2, ये 3. 2 means inside, 3 and 1 is in the outside. What happened to the electric field? At this point, due to this plus, we know electric field is outward. And again, this is also outward for this plate. But inside, plus, outward, this plus, this is outward. So here the direction is this. And reason number 1 and 3 are same for both the positive outward direction. Now here both the electric field will add, here also add. Why it is add? Because of, you know, vector quantity. Vector quantity हमेशा तुम्हारा क्या होगा, same direction होने से plus में आएगा. So here what is the electric field formula in Gauss theorem? We know that एक प्लेट की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला होता है सिग्मा बाई 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. लास्ट डे वी हैव डिफाइंड, and because of that answer is sigma by epsilon naught. 2 cancel and sigma by. So it means outside there is a field. Which field? Electric field. But inside there is no electric field. Why? Because they both are same different directions. We use minus sigma by 2 epsilon, sigma by 2 epsilon. The total answer is 0. That means no electric field inside. And if there is no electric field inside, just now we explained, for capacitor we need what? Electric field between the two plates. Definitely both the plates should be positive and negative. So here हम देखना चाहते थे कि हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अंदर में प्रोड्यूस होता है या नहीं अगर दो पॉजिटिव प्लेट्स रखा जाए तो. So it is not possible, right? But if we interchange, then there is a possibility. Is it clear? Now you can check if two charge plates are just changed. Is it right? What happened here? When we change this two charge plate, one is positive, negative. Inside electric field both are in. Outward, how it is? For positive, out. Negative, in. Negative, in. Positive, out. Different. Different. They are always same. So if I follow, they both same direction. So addition हो जाएगा. Electric field you are getting between the two plates. But ये different होने से no electric field. थोड़ा सा interchange हो गया, है ना? तो इसमें भी बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेता है तुम्हारा. इज इट राइट? हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस दिस वन. सो नाउ अब हम लोग दूसरा टॉपिक लेके आते हैं. आई थिंक यू आर क्लियर दैट फॉर कैपेसिटर वी ऑलवेज नीड पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी प्रोड्यूस. एंड इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, यू विल से व्हाट? सिग्मा बाय व्हाट? 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. इट्स क्लियर, राइट? नाउ लेट मी टेक हियर derivations. So maximum they have asked, that is what? Capacitance. Capacitance due to two parallel plates. Due to what? Two parallel plates. Once again, two plates are parallel. Is it right? Like this, you can draw दो parallel plates को बना सकते हो. This is a source of positive and negative. This positive and negative. Definitely inside there is an electric field. Is it right? तो यहाँ से लिखेंगे हम लोग. हमारे पास एक ही फॉर्मूला है. Since we know, what we know, C is equal to Q by V. Equation number 1. Now let me know about the potential. Here potential V. So what is the relation between the potential and electric field? V is equal to E into the distance. Is it right? I think it's very clear. Electric field, है ना? The electric field between the two charge plate there is air, हवा है, air. So let me write E naught. E naught depend for the air. So it is E naught. Distance between them is suppose D. D ले लेते हैं इसमें small d. Now about this electric field. This electric field is what? Sigma by epsilon naught. And what is the meaning of sigma? Sigma means surface charge density, charged by area of the plate. So let me write A stand for the area and A let me write here. तो इसकी जगह लिखेंगे Q by A epsilon naught small d. आ गया पोटेंशियल का फॉर्मूला इक्वेशन 2. नाउ इफ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द वैल्यू इन द इक्वेशन नंबर 1, आई थिंक यू विल गेट योर आंसर. इज इट राइट? चलो डाल के देखते हैं इसमें. इज इट राइट? आई विल राइट हियर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इज राइट C इज इक्वल टू Q by V. V की जगह में आ जाएगा तुम्हारा राइट, V की जगह में Q D epsilon naught A. Q cancel, so C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is a very good formula we need to produce the capacitance. अगर चाहिए तो area और distance में तुम्हारा depend करेगा. It's very important for you. Is it clear? So now here the three factors come out. Number 1, if I'll ask you capacitance depends upon number 1 एरिया पे डिपेंड करेगा. कैसे? प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. जितना एरिया बढ़ाओ उतना ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी. इनवर्सली रिलेटेड विद द डिस्टेंस नंबर 2 एंड द मीडियम. ये हो गया नंबर 3. मीडियम मीन्स यस एयर. इसके अंदर अगर मैं एक डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम को इंसर्ट कर दूं तो क्या होगा इसका आंसर? इज इट क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके.